Hello guys, this is Vishal from Language Academy again over here. Guys, today I have Navrose with me. His story is very inspirational, personally for myself as well. Guys, he did his PT in the very first attempt, alright. Not only he got 79 guys, he got 90 each guys, alright. And that was also in the very first attempt guys. He was the very first time test taker, alright, and he got his PT done in the very first go guys, right? Now he's in a student visa, alright, he hasn't even finished his studies yet. He planned everything ahead, right, and got his PT done. Now not only the PT guys, he also managed to clear his 𝗏𝗏 Punjabi CCL done as well in the very first go, alright, with 77 score guys, 77 out of 90, and that's also in the very first time guys he gave in the 𝗏𝗏 CCL exam in October, and he got it done. Now this is very inspirational guys. We know this, that a lot of students out there are struggling, okay? They're struggling to get their passing score, they're struggling to get their desired score in PTE and NAATI, and Navrose managed to get it done, both of them, alright, whilst on the student visa, and then in the very first go. Now this is something very inspirational. Why? Because he planned everything ahead, alright. He, as I said, still on a student visa. His studies are about to finish soon, and then he probably are gonna apply directly towards his permanent residency, all right. That is something which is many students want to do, but only few could do, all right, or only few can do, okay. So this is something inspirational guys. This is something extraordinary. Not every day we see this, but Navrose over here is today he's gonna share his journey. He's gonna share the insight of both PT and NAATI. What are the important things he think one need to understand, one need to undergo in order to crack the exams in the very first go. Navrose, please man, over to you. Tell first about your PT journey. You were here with us probably, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks, okay? Yeah. And then you managed to get it done in the very first go with 90 each guys. Now Navrose, please share your journey in terms of PT first, and then tell the audience about NAATI as well.
Thank you, Vishal. I would like to thank you so much first, and
thank you.
I want to thank the Language Academy for the tips and the hard work you guys are doing. I think that's the key for my success in both the exams. For PD, I would like to say the classes, I've done the master class,
yes,
which I think is really helpful if someone doesn't have enough time.
Correct.
So it covers everything in one day, which is like a really good thing, and yes, the teachers, they give their best to explain and give the good strategies and everything.
Right.
So I've attended that full masterclass, all the modules.
Yes.
And then the labs here are like, I really want to praise, it's really good.
Thank you.
And the one-to-one feedback which we get, and the availability of teachers. Whenever I used to come regularly to the labs, and there used to be I think 3 or 4 teachers available all
yes,
the time. And whenever I needed help, they helped me, they guided me, and all templates, I would like to say templates and the strategies were really helpful in my journey.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all I want to say about PD.
Thank you, Navrose. I know that when you were doing your PT, you gave not 1 or 2, I think you gave almost 4 mock tests, right?
Yeah.
How were the mock tests helpful to you?
I think that's the one who what gave me the confidence in the exam.
Right.
I did about 4 mock tests, 2 of Language Academy, and which I got the feedback on time, like same time after the mock test. You gave me feedback, which was really helpful for me to see where I'm lacking and what mistakes I'm doing.
Right.
So then I gave the PSNs once, and that's what boosted my confidence. And on the day of the exam, I really had enough confidence that yes, I can do it.
Right.
So I think that they are also like important factors for my success.
Definitely guys, definitely. As Nav gave 4 mock tests in a matter of 2 weeks, plus he attended the master class. As he said, he didn't had a lot of time to spare, so he was able to finish all the modules in the very first go. Now guys, master class is very helpful, especially for students like Navrose who have very limited time, but they want to get all the knowledge in 1 day or 2 days, and that's what he did. All right, and then he was just full on into the labs and the mock tests, which helped him to get his desired score. But more or less it was your efforts now, it was your dedication which helped you to get in the very first score. All right, congratulating him again. Now over to your 𝗏𝗏. Okay, now 𝗏𝗏 is something else. Now PT and 𝗏𝗏, they are very, very different. All right,
yes,
but one thing is that you did not spend a lot of time after PT. You just moved directly after completing your PT into the 𝗏𝗏. Okay, now this shows again, guys, dedication. He had this thing clear that he wants to get both the things done, all right, before his studies finishes, so then he can apply for permanent residency straight away. Now tell us something about the 𝗏𝗏. What do you think is important, and what do you think helped you to get your scores?
The best thing about the 𝗏𝗏 preparation was the classes. So I think the classes helped me a lot. So I used to be regular in the classes, and
right.
like when you do dialects in the class,
yeah.
you get to know about other people's vocabulary, sentence structure, and because when you do at home practice, you are just by yourself, so you won't know what mistakes you are doing. Correct. And you will just do just whatever you're doing. So when you come to class, you will know that how many different ways same
Correct.
thing can be spoken, and
yes.
We can do the same thing. And every vocabulary, like every word has different meanings, and right. Different words in the other language.
Correct.
So that was really helpful, and I wanna thanks to Karan sir,
yes.
who was really good in teaching and gave really nice strategies.
Yes.
So yeah, the attending classes was the main thing, and the vocabulary you guys provided was like best thing. Everything was covered in those
Correct.
30 pages.
Correct.
So that was really good as well. And then the mock test, the scored mock test, and again, like PT, the mock test boosted my confidence.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the main thing about 𝗏𝗏. And main thing, yeah, practice is the key.
Practice is the key.
Yeah.
Guys, yes, exactly as Nav said, classes are the foundation. Classes are the very, very I would say basic thing, but they need to be done in order to get your 𝗏𝗏 cleared, because 𝗏𝗏 is not something which you can do at home by yourself. You need to be given feedback at a proper time, and then that's what Nav got. And another thing was, yes, the vocabulary, it is very, very intensive. You need to make sure you cover all the vocab, so in exam you don't face any issues. And the mock test, guys, yes, over here we provide scored mock test, and Nav used to get scored mock test as well, which helped him to analyze the weak points, which helped him to see where he's lacking, what scores he's getting, which things he needs to improve, and then accordingly he worked on those things. Now that is something amazing, guys. Again, very, very inspirational, guys. He cleared his exam, both PT and 𝗏𝗏, in the very, very first score, and with amazing scores, guys. Again, guys, it's very inspirational. Make sure you get some value out of his insights, so you guys can also work towards your PT and 𝗏𝗏 needs, guys. That is it, guys. I'll wrap it up. Anything you guys need in terms of your PT or 𝗏𝗏, you can always contact us. We are here to help you guys out there. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.